Hey, are you someone who is looking to get a bike loan? Then this video is for you. I'm going to teach you a hack wherein you can avail your bike loan at just 1% interest rate. Traditionally, banks offer your interest rate depending on your CIBIL score, but it averages around 8% to 12%. Occasionally, there are some offers like HDFC ZipRide, which can reduce the interest rate to up to 7.5%, but certainly not up to 1%. And as you would expect, this is not a straightforward game. Definitely, we need to work around something, and it has some dependencies as well. If you're someone who can fulfill, or you probably have these amenities, then probably this video is to tell you that, hey, here is an opportunity which you can actually think about. So here is how you can avail it. When you go to a bank, you opt for a jewel loan. So let's say you're buying a bike for around 3 lakh rupees and you need to avail a loan of 1 lakh rupee. I'm going to show you how exactly it works. All you have to do is just get into let's look into the jewel loan interest rate right now. It is somewhere around 7.05% at Indian Overseas Bank as I see it. And if you are taking it as others, which is if you're not taking it as an agri loan, then you have to pay up to 5 lakhs in a single shot. You have to do it as a bullet payment. There is no monthly payments, which is fine. Let's say if you're taking a loan of 3 lakhs for your bike and you have jewel for those 3 lakhs. Now it can be 1 lakh, it can be 50,000, whatever the loan amount is, you can just use this. And my interest rate is 7.1%. I'm doing it at 7.1%. And I'm taking a tenure of 1 year because I need to do a single shot payment. So within 1 year, I need to get this amount ready and then go ahead and pay. So my EMI is around 25,972. I'm going to assume it as 26,000 for easy calculations. And my total interest is going to be somewhere around 11,662 rupees. So in total, for the 3 lakh loan amount, I'll be paying around 3,11,662 rupees. Now, here is what I'm going to do. Instead of paying this off, all I'm going to do is open a simple recurring deposit. And let's say I invest the same 26,000 month on month into a recurring deposit, and the traditional interest rate which is offered by leading banks today are 5.3% for your recurring deposit. Then I can actually get 9,064 rupees over a period of 1 year for my monthly EMIs. So all I'm gonna do is, instead of opting for a bike loan, I'm gonna opt for a jewel loan. I'm gonna take the jewel loan at 7%. And instead of paying month-on-month EMIs, I'm going to invest it in a recurring deposit, guaranteed returns, no market risk, and I can get around 5.35%. So if you calculate it between 9,064 and then here it is 11,600, approximately 2,600 is going to be the loan amount which I'm going to pay effectively. Now here is the additional part. Let's say if you take a bike loan, in addition to this, you would also have processing fee and other charges, which is also applicable here. So that's kind of nullified. The second thing is foreclosure. If you're foreclosing your EMIs, then still you will end up paying the entire loan amount with the interest rate. And there are foreclosure charges as well. Now, those two things are actually nullified here. By taking this particular type of payment, you can actually close the loan any amount. For example, instead of opting for a recurring deposit, let's say you can arrange the amount in a period of 6 months. You can actually close it without any additional charges. So this is why I would actually suggest in going for a gold loan instead of going for a bike loan. You can save up and the effective interest rate comes down way bigger. Now let's assume that you are taking a bike loan for the same amount, and within a period of 1 year, your interest rate is somewhere going to be around 8.5%. I'm going to be conservative. Let's say you are getting the loan at 8.5%. You have a good credit score, etc. And you would still end up paying 13,991, which is around 14,000 in EMI. Compared to 14,000, you can actually pay 2,600 instead of 14,000. That's almost like 11,400 in savings. Now, yes, obviously here are some deviations or some assumptions you have to make. The first assumption is that you have enough gold accumulated for the loan amount. So that is going to be important. And secondly, you should be able to opt for the entire amount paid within a period of 1 year. That is another additional thing. So if you are someone who is planning to take a bike loan for a period of 1 year and you have enough gold sitting in your home just doing nothing, then put it into use and start saving some money. I'm not a finance expert, but these are some experience which I have done in my personal life. So for more financial experiences stories, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.